Today, we're exploring the captivating realm of construction components to examine an essential element of contemporary building: drywall. Also recognized as gypsum board or plaster board, drywall has fundamentally revolutionized how we construct and complete our residential and commercial spaces. Its practicality, cost-effectiveness, and adaptability have established it as a cornerstone in housing and business construction. In this video, we'll reveal the comprehensive procedure of drywall manufacturing, from initial raw components to the completed product, while also addressing its historical development and ecological considerations. So, let's discover this remarkable transformation thoroughly right here on Stories Behind Everything. Before examining the manufacturing methodology, it's vital to comprehend what drywall actually represents. Drywall is constructed from a central layer composed predominantly of gypsum, a soft sulfate mineral, positioned between two sheets of heavyweight paper. This configuration produces a sturdy, featherweight panel that proves simple to install and complete. Gypsum, in its unprocessed state, gets extracted from the earth, and its utilization in construction extends back millennia. Contemporary drywall appears in numerous variations, including standard, moisture-resistant, and fire-resistant alternatives, each engineered for particular implementations. This diversity permits builders and architects to select the appropriate drywall variety based on the spatial requirements. The initial phase in drywall manufacturing involves acquiring raw components. The principal ingredient, gypsum, gets extracted from gypsum mining operations or quarries. This mineral, discoverable in various global locations, proves abundant and economically viable. Once extracted, the gypsum rock undergoes crushing into smaller fragments to expedite processing. Additionally, supplementary materials including additives for fire resistance and moisture resistance are also procured. For instance, fiberglass matting may be incorporated to generate stronger, more resilient boards. In certain situations, recycled paper from alternative sources gets utilized for the exterior layers, advancing sustainability throughout the manufacturing operation. The meticulous selection and preparation of these components prove crucial, as they directly influence the quality and functionality of the ultimate product. After the raw gypsum is collected, it experiences a sequence of processing procedures. The crushed gypsum undergoes heating through a process designated as calcination, which eliminates the moisture concentration. This procedure typically transpires in large rotary kilns where the gypsum reaches temperatures of approximately 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Throughout calcination, the gypsum loses roughly 3/4 of its water content, transforming it into a fine powdery material termed calcium sulfate hemihydrate, commonly recognized as gypsum plaster. This powdered gypsum then gets combined with water and any required additives to generate a slurry, which will constitute the core of the drywall panels. Once the gypsum is processed into a slurry, the subsequent phase involves forming the actual drywall panels. The slurry gets poured onto a continuous sheet of heavyweight paper that functions as the foundation for the drywall. This paper is frequently recycled, contributing to the process's sustainability. The slurry spreads uniformly across the paper, then another paper sheet gets positioned on top, creating a sandwich-like configuration. The slurry layer's thickness establishes the drywall's thickness, which typically ranges from 1/2 inch to 5/8 of an inch. After the slurry application, the panels pass through sequential rollers that compress the layers together, guaranteeing a robust bond. Once the panels are formed, they're cut to standard dimensions, typically 4 feet by 8 feet, but they can also be manufactured in larger measurements for specific implementations. After the panels are cut, they advance to the drying and curing stage. The panels get positioned in large drying chambers where heat application removes any remaining moisture. This step proves critical, as excessive moisture can trigger warping or mold development in the finished product. The drying procedure can require several hours, depending on the panel's dimensions and thickness. Once dried, the drywall panels undergo quality inspection to verify they satisfy the necessary standards for strength and performance. Any defective panels get discarded or reprocessed. Quality control remains essential in this phase, as it guarantees that the final product is dependable and suitable for construction utilization. After the panels are thoroughly dried and inspected, they're prepared for the finishing refinements. This can include incorporating edge treatments or specific coatings to enhance durability or moisture resistance. Some manufacturers may also apply a primer or specialized finish to one drywall side to improve its performance during painting and installation. The finished panels then get packaged and prepared for distribution. This packaging is engineered to protect the panels during transportation and storage, ensuring they arrive at construction locations in excellent condition. Proper handling and storage of drywall prove crucial to prevent damage and ensure the product's quality throughout its journey to the end consumer. As we examine the manufacturing process of drywall, it's essential to consider its environmental impact. The drywall sector has achieved significant progress in reducing its carbon footprint through various sustainable practices. For instance, many manufacturers now utilize recycled materials, including paper and gypsum, in their production operations. Additionally, technological advances have improved energy efficiency during manufacturing, leading to reduced greenhouse gas emissions. The drywall life cycle also contributes to its sustainability. It can be recycled after use, minimizing waste in landfills. However, like any industry, challenges persist, and ongoing efforts are required to further enhance sustainability practices. The journey of drywall from raw gypsum to finished panel represents a remarkable process involving careful sourcing, processing, and manufacturing. Drywall has revolutionized construction, providing a practical solution for building walls and ceilings in diverse settings. Its adaptability and ease of installation have made it a favored choice among builders and homeowners alike. As we continue evolving our building practices, it's crucial to recognize the importance of sustainability in drywall production and the potential for innovation within the industry. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you proper recognition for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this exploration through stories behind everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories discovered through the smallest details.